If your Discover Adapt 30 is no longer turning on, in this video, we're going to show you how to quickly fix that. Start by disconnecting the AC power from the charging base and then remove the headset. Wait 10 seconds, place the headset back in the charging base, and go ahead and press straight down on the mute button until you see a blue LED light start flashing. Once that happens, release your finger and reconnect the AC power. On the face of the charging base, you're gonna see a number of LED lights turn on. Once that happens, the headset is going through the pairing mode and you're waiting for the blue LED to be the only one flashing. Once that happens, the headset is now paired to the charging base. Go ahead and remove the headset and you'll see the green LED light turn on and the headset should be working. If this didn't help fix the issue you're experiencing with your wireless headset, go ahead and contact us here at Headset Advisor and we'll be more than glad to help you out further. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button for me and subscribe for more videos just like this.